Hey guys, this is Josh. Josh, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Oh, and yes, the title states that we are finally working on the EG.
What a motor is.
Okay, first time opening up the B18.
It's fully stocked, bro. You're gonna need to do a timing belt soon. Yeah. Look at that.
Wow. Ooh,
See that?
Yeah, it's always scored up.
Yeah.
That's not good.
No, that's $2.5 grand right there.
So today we're pretty much doing the
Don't
cover seal.
Don't snuff it.
And we're doing the sting rack boot kit. We've got the lower sump gaskets. I can't really film much because I'm working with these boys. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it to the chase, to the fast bits and the interesting bits. Should have done this whole thing, degrease it.
Should have fucking painted it.
Yeah. Or need it back in
Just
the
wire brush it back and make it look all stainless and mad. Hurry up, man. We gotta go rob some DVD players. What is Hector playing to run? He's playing to run 3 Honda Civics with T66 turbos. What else was it?
Hector is gonna be running 3 Honda Civics with spoon engines. And on top of that, he just came into Harry's and he ordered 3 T66 turbos with NOS and a Motec system exhaust.
But then again, it's nothing compared to 3 SR20s.
Have you ever taken the SUPRA out recently?
Yeah, a couple days ago.
Garage Queen.
Yeah.
Just around the area, bro.
How's the clutch? That's the last time I saw you.
It's actually, yeah, it's better now.
Yeah.
I think it's better in a bit more. It's still, you know, it's still a triple plate, but I'm getting used to it.
Nice.
I reckon you'll stall the shit out of this, both of you.
Probably. You see me try to drive his car?
If you
Oh, you
install-
saw you
Right
did.
here.
Woo! We stalled, boy.
if you struggle to drive his car, you won't be able to move this car.
So I might just get it.
By the way,
Eh?
the Evo's clutch is on its way out.
Yeah.
Don't get a triple plate, whatever you do.
I'm gonna triple plate.
Twin plate's easier to drive. Twin plate's alright.
One day I'll drive this car. One day.
Drive it now, you go. Off you go.
We're laughing, man. Oh, that's coming. That's coming.
What's going on here?
Got the sump out. This is proper. Man, look.
This is old age.
Owning Leo, and he's 11 weeks now. I don't know if you can tell, but he's got longer, more stronger, he's more brown. Leo, he knows his name now. Show us your progression.
So for the past 3 weeks, I've been showing him basic commands and tricks, and this is what he knows. Sit.
Sorry,
Shake. Oh, Nice, good boy. Shake this one. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Roll over. Roll over. Good boy.
Bruh.
Up.
Oh, I told him that.
Good boy. Spin. 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 Ooh, good boy, yeah. Touch. Wait, touch. So the nose would just tap my hand.
Yeah. And he got
Touch.
something else.
Touch. Touch.
Wow.
Good boy, Leo.
What the hell?
And then boop.
Boop.
Boop. Boop. Good boy. Boop. Boop. Good boy. Stay. Go.
Nice.
Good boy.
So that all in 3 weeks?
All in 3 weeks.
Wow. Good job.
Yeah.
Good job, babe.
So big. It's so big. Airplane.
Jesus Christ. What's it like owning a corgi?
It's tiring. It's really cute. It's such a baby. Just can't wait for it to be a bit like more settled down and stop biting and nipping and just peeing and pooping and everything. Yeah. So today he will be going to the vet to get his second vaccination, and I think in 10 days then he can go out for walks, and then he needs another vaccination before he can see other dogs. I don't know.
Let's go, Leo. Oh, it's good. Strong boy.
Good boy.
Doing, guys, this is Harry. Recently just picked up his 370Z. Just gonna come here to check it out. Yeah. So Harry, why a 370Z?
You guys can't sneak in like that. And this is why I avoid cameras.
Harry, why did you get this car?
Nothing get answered when I know it's on, man.
Well, firstly, he got this one. Oh no, not me. No. I don't like me. So firstly, the reason why he got this car is because it matches with his Corolla, the color red, and also he is the biggest red flag in the area. And you know, he got his dream car, but now he's waiting for his dream girl.
Wow. What a good description,
I said it
Linda.
all in one,
Good description. Nah,
How's the 370 so far to you?
bro, it's my first fucking like V6 car, going from that to that.
Yeah, massive car.
Yeah, massive upgrade. It's like double the fucking horsepower, everything.
Yeah. Sick.
So when are you gonna mod it?
When I'm not broke.
Ooh.
It's actually really red. Like,
This is your car?
Yeah, it's my car.
What is it?
The 370 jet.
Lamborghini?
No, it's not Lamborghini, so Nissan.
What is this?
It's a 370 jet.